While the camera was off, I put together this HTML document for us to work off of. And just to quickly walk through it, just so you know what the markup looks like and kind of how I set it up, so you're fully brought up to speed. I have a hero, we have an article for our content stuff, and then we have a footer all the way at the bottom. It's just something that looks nice out of the box for us to do all our jQuery tests. Inside of article, I have a grid system set up using skeleton CSS. It's just something I just picked. You can use Bootstrap if you want, or I'm going to include this in project files so you can download and follow along that way. And inside that, the left column is content. And in the right column, we have a sidebar. That's all there is. Pretty dead simple. Now, there's no JavaScript on this page yet. How the heck do we add JavaScript? You add JavaScript at the bottom of your website, ideally. And I'll talk about this a little bit more on why later in the lessons. But in order to add JavaScript, I'm going to kind of create this comment block so it's neat. You can do it two ways. You can do it inline, or you can reference a file. So really similar to CSS, where you can do inline CSS or reference a file. For jQuery, we need to reference a file, which we're going to reference a CDN URL, which I have here already. And so I'm going to hit save, and that's all there was to loading jQuery on our page. Now, if we would refresh here, technically jQuery is on this page, even though we're not doing anything with it. Now, if we wanted to, we could go inline, and we could do a bunch of inline jQuery code if you want to put it inline. I don't really like to write it that way. I like to reference a file. So what I have here is a reference to a file I'm going to call power.js. You can call this scripts. That's usually what people call it. Feel free to call it whatever you want. And I have that in a folder called JS, power.js. Hit save. And now that's referenced on this page.